I am completely inspired. You know what, man? I'm probably gonna move here. He's not paying attention. Because I mean, I am a foolproof living gypsy. I don't live anywhere. I'm made in a house in Nebraska.
I'm very much paying attention because this man doesn't live anywhere. Actually, John and I, you were looking for something in your suitcase earlier.
I was. My mind. Sorry, that fell short. My bad. Anyway, here's a jokester. Go ahead.
John and I were going through your suitcase.
Thanks.
And I said, hey, imagine something. He goes, what? I go, this is just all the shit you got. Imagine it. That's it. Just the suitcase. And that's true. That's true. You live out of a suitcase. That's true. When he says he's going to move here, shit, he might. He doesn't live anywhere. He literally, listen to what I say this. He literally lives nowhere. He doesn't own a house. He doesn't own a house. He doesn't rent a house. He lives in a, so now you know where he lives? In this parking lot back here. That's where he lives. Tomorrow he lives in Wichita. Who knows where he lives after that? So shit, he didn't know all of it.
So I'm gonna say this though. This next song, I have a good suspicion that 90% of you are gonna know it. And if you are sitting down because you're tired, you've had a long week, I totally understand that. But you don't need to be sitting down on this next song. I'm gonna politely ask you to get up on your feet. Last one. It's important. I promise. It's gonna be worth it. My man over here is gonna start the rhythm. All you gotta do is follow me. And you're gonna give us the stomp. My show.
Still here to explain.